If you've been sitting on the fence wondering whether or not you should try Thrivecart, do not waste a moment longer. I've just received notice from Thrivecart that they're ending their lifetime license and huge discounted special offer that I can give you. If you want to get this, get in right now. There's a link right here that you can use to take you straight to Thrivecart and get you the biggest discount and the best value possible. However, the email tells me that they're ending this offer very soon. They haven't given me a date, but I'm expecting it's in the next few weeks, possibly the month at the most. But they will be increasing the price and taking away the lifetime deal. If you're sitting on the fence, you're not exactly sure whether or not this is right for you, I encourage you to buy it, upgrade to the Learn Plus so you have all the features. Try it for 30 days, and if for any reason it doesn't work out for you and you're not happy, please jump on board and let them know and they will refund it for you. Comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. It's really easy. And when you follow me, I run Thrivecart School and I have a whole range of great programs available for you for free so you can make the most out of your Thrivecart software, but also create a scalable, manageable, and easy to run digital passive income business online. Please do not wait. Do not. I'll take this video off as soon as I know a date because I know it's not going to last for long, and that's a special price that you can get right now. So if you'd like to buy it and you buy it through me, this is the link that you need to use and you'll get the lowest price available and the best deal. Okay, thanks. See you on the other side.